got the new SMT wheels for the Diablo. Super excited. Man, this knife is sharp. Look at that, like butter. That's the way Whiteknuckler. Dude, have you ever seen some cuts out like it just like woo, right through it? Oh wow. Look at that. God dang. Love that color. So these are their new race series wheels. Super light. Super minimal. Man, those are cool looking. Nice.
Super lights with their super light hub.
Yep. Yeah, it has their, that's their race hub, I guess.
Can you grab me those mufflers?
Just a bunch of material instead of just being a round hub. They've just taken a ton of material out of it around the bolt paths. Just to remove unnecessary weight. I love that they arrive, everything bolted on, everything Loctited, 12-point hardware, super cool. Oh, I think these are gonna look okay. What do you think? Awesome. I was just saying I love the way they arrive with all the 12-point hardware in there. Everything's assembled and Loctited.
It's all set up.
Ready to go. And I'll tell you, every time we've used these wheels, they just bolt right on. Fit perfect every time. SMT, baby. Let's put some tires on.
Yeah.
Super cool with our new Yaxle Rod. Come on, set me free. Oh, calipers. Actually, you know what? Get off the rotors.
Oh yeah, we're off the road.
Oh, I got it's held on, but the fender was off. I could roll them out.
Oh yeah.
Right, so I think we'll just loosen the caliper. Oh my God, Jaden. Loctite torque. Jesus. My God. It's Loctite.
You're still using a 2-inch rack.
No. I'm using a 2-inch rack. See if I can scoop over far enough. That there. Maybe against paint.
Perfectly made. You got one in.
up in there.
There'll be no fun.
That was funny.
Did he say he has a dirty mouth? Now you should be able to soup it roll.
Dirt in his mouth. Well, we don't turn it in.
He said he had a dirty mouth.
Sure do got a pretty mouth.
All right.
Totally different.
Yeah.
You have a sugar valve tool?
No, not here.
I
I do normally.
It's in my ear toolbox.
I got one. Thank you.
Mine's better.
Doubt that.
Oh, it is. Trust me.
Nothing beats the Motion Pro Shorty.
Mine's enhanced.
So is mine. I have a rubber plug on it.
Alright. Thought that was good.
There you go. So they do make pulleys.
Yeah. They beat the shit out of all the other wheel companies, in my opinion.
They have done a fine job honing their craft. I will give you that for sure.
They have a bazillion wheels too if you go into the store.
Yeah.
Tim actually called me last week, and he said, I can't give you your wheels. Why? He said the spokes aren't timed on the pulley. He said I'd have to make a new pulley, and I was like, it's behind the saddlebag. And he's like, no, I couldn't possibly give you a wheel that wasn't timed. And I'm like, okay, that's pretty cool. And then a week later, it's ready.
You have to build another one? Hub adapter or something?
We're gonna reuse these tires. We're gonna take these tires off and put them on those wheels. Yes, sir.
Making sure we're all
They're
on the
brand new.
same.
They're brand new tires. Come on, just a little bit more. Thank you.
You sure you don't want to strap that thing?
Sure, I don't want to strap this thing.
The bike to the lift?
Oh, dude,
Yeah, I know. I have no sense of
you're
adventure.
no fun.
Because you're gonna have to jack it up to get that wheel out. Pull on the caliper.
Should slide that past it, shouldn't it? That's its face.
This should come out.
Maybe not. Look like it wants to. Take the exhaust bracket off to get it back. It's touching the wheel weight right now. Yeah, halfway. Hold on.
I was gonna say, do you have the spacer out?
Yeah, it was sideways, but it's gonna have this. Beautiful.
It feels pretty solid. I just, if you were gonna be wrestling this, I was
Yeah,
gonna.
man. I'll wrestle it. I'll get the caliper off. There.
Okay. You got one, Kev.
No, you're just not gonna let me.
It's a little bit of a wrestle sometimes.
Thought maybe I could squeeze it.
Here. Just this, so you know. There you go.
Jesus.
used to have to do that before. Yeah, I've got it tight.
We need that 6-foot set of channel locks you got.
Yeah. Why is this not moving?
Because you weigh 98 pounds.
I weigh more than
98 and a half. I can get you wet. You want to get over 100. With a hose.
So you actually know that.
Oh yeah.
Not saying kind of.
Stick around.
That's now a new thing. You cannot throw stuff on stage.
What if I want to throw $100 bill?
One tire. Huh?
Make sure that's out of the way.
Do a quick spin on that. Make sure I'm all the way. Just make sure it looks like it's not or nearly engaged. I think it looks okay. It actually is a wide glide rear, as the 17 was.
You all right?
Dropping books,
Oh.
dude.
Scared me there.
Trying to do the, pull out the,
Just get the magic. Do the
pull out the one
do
book.
the tablecloth trick.
Didn't work. I would have with an Indiana Jones there,
Right.
away from the Temple of Doom. Please win. Did you know that Dunlop stopped producing their American Elite
Did not know
products because they are closing the New York plant?
that. Did not know that.
They are outsourcing their.
Hey, Jaden. Just grab a hold of this handlebar and the bike, because I'm going to put out pressure on this, and I don't want the bike flipping off the fucking lip.
You just need to go up.
You should be able to go now.
That's why I said it felt like it was coming from over there.
And let's clean that pinch bolt before we put that back on. I'll get that galling off of there.
I'll find the tap. Damn, that's a good one, man.
What?
Good one.
What's a good one? That galling?
Red. Look. Did it peel it coming out?
Yeah, I thought it was Loctite. But it was hard all the way to the end, and you can see why now. So
I don't think I have this one out.
it's funny. Yeah, I would have ducked it. It would have broke Jack's computer screen or something. You're lying.
Dang it. I'm under torque.
There you go. You got it. This thing sounds like it's going down. I'm gonna take it outside and fire it up.
Contact.